Hello.
Yeah,
See, can you see here? Gradle is building in your. No, 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 no. Don't close it.
no, I didn't do anything.
Okay, okay. See, we are not supposed to do anything during the Gradle building. Okay. So,
Okay.
Gradle is, see, if you do something, it's totally fine. But eventually, if there is an issue, it will break the synchronized process. Okay. Let me show you.
Yeah,
Uh, Eventually I'll teach you this. See, as we see in the SDK manager, here the AVD manager is there. So see, can you see here, even here the AVD manager is here. If you want to create a new virtual device, you can select this, or either ways you can select this. Okay, both the things are
yeah,
same. Can you see this? It is not different. Both, if you want to go to AVD manager, you can go select this, you can select this, or straight away you can go here and you can select this. Okay,
yeah,
if again there is some other option for AVD manager, we'll discuss about these things later. It will be confusing for you. See, a head like phase is there, right, with below arrow mark. It's nothing but a
yeah.
gradle. Okay, either way
Okay.
you can select this to run a gradle, or see, right now in my system the Gradle is running just like in your system. See, in your
Yeah,
system Gradle is running, right? See, if for first time it will download, so it will take some time, but eventually already it is completed in my system, it is finished. Okay, Gradle synchronized finished. Okay, until finish we have to wait. You got it?
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Either ways we can select this to synchronize Gradle, or oh, I've selected it. Okay, or we can go to file, sync project with Gradle. The same symbol is there. Can you see? I mean,
yeah,
like symbol with a below arrow. Yeah, just like this. So either ways you can select this. Both the things are same. Okay. Eventually, in every options above the similar options will be there. Okay. Run anytime. It's nothing but you can run the application, either this or this. Okay. Both the things are same, but if you installed in your mobile, you don't want to run the application every time. Instead, you can select this. Okay, execute commands, open project, launch and run the configuration, run the Gradle and Maven task, execute terminal commands, so on. It's because, see, if you want to run it for first time, you can select this. Or if you want to make some changes, for an example, I'm running an application now.
yeah.
Right now, I'll get an output. Okay, what happened?
It got disconnected.
No problem. Just give me a minute. Yeah. So now it is working. If I want to change the background, let me go to Vidika's XML design. And what I'm going to do is very simple. Okay, right now the Gradle is running. That is the reason it is getting delayed. Okay. See, the same output is working. So if I want to change the background, let's assume I want to change the background. Background dash. Okay, it's not orange, it's like a reddish color, right? Again, I'm running the application. See, this thing is completely different. If you want to run it for first time, you have to select this. If you want to change the applied, I mean, if you want already the color is changed, If you want to apply it in your output, you have to select this. Okay, either you select this or select this. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you stop changes, Shvedika, yeah, I mean, some kind of echo is there. It's because of the glitch. I mean, if any electronic items is nearby your PC or nearby your mobile, please move the electronic applications. Okay. I think, oh, see, failure access. That's fine, but hello, can you hear me?
Hello. Yeah, I can hear you.
Hello, yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, it does. See, can you select this X mark? I mean, you have to close this Gradle. It is because it is failure. So again, we have to do it. You please go and select this X. I mean, close mark is there, right? Let me show you. Second. It's because of the internet issue it is facing. I think so. Let's wait for a while. No worries. See, right now the color has changed. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Let me minimize this and we'll wait. Okay. No worries, it happens. We'll wait. Okay. But eventually, we have completed the installation of Android Studio, and we have completed the installation of SDK Manager, not the AVD Manager. So we'll try to we try to configure your mobile in Android Studio now. Got it? Still, we have time. We can connect. We'll wait. Don't worry. I'll drink some water if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Yes.
So your voice is not coming.
My mistake. It's because of thing. I am the one who muted it. I'm sorry about that.
Yeah.
My voice is
It's,
audible now.
yeah. It's,
Let me connect again. Okay, please approve it.
yeah.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, great. It is working. See, can you please go to Android Studio now? Thank God. It is. See, there is an error. It's because during the we are the one who cancelled it. It's very simple. What we have to do is we have to go to File, create a new project again. No. We have to go to File. We have to go to New Project. New project. Yeah. Empty. 1 second. So change the project name again. I mean, name the project. Any name is fine, but not the same name. Already 5 1 is given, right? So any other name,
Yeah.
anything is fine. Okay. Don't do anything. Wait. Don't select finish.
Sorry.
You're not supposed to select finish. Yeah, we have to change the settings, right? Don't do it. No worries. No worries. You can just give me a minute. Like close this thing. Okay. Close the Gradle also. You can close it. No worries. Close it. Close it. No worries. You can close it. Error will be there. Don't worry. We can delete those applications. I'll teach you how to delete the applications as well.
Yeah.
No. Wait. We're not supposed to do that. First, come to Gradle and close the Gradle. We have to close the Gradle. Yeah, Android Studio will get crashed if you do these things. Initially, we have to, already the process is running, right? So we have to close the
Yeah.
Gradle. After closing the Gradle, we have to go to file and we have to create a new project. Okay. Right away,
Yeah.
it's not like creating a new folder. So we have to select, we have to close all the process and we have to go to new, file. We have to create a new project. Straight away, we are not supposed to do those things. Okay.
Okay.
The Android Studio will get crashed. It won't work. Again, we have to uninstall it. Again, you have to install it. Sometimes it will work, but very rarely the Android Studio will get crashed. So again, you have to cancel this. Yeah, great. Okay. So go to new folder, new project. Don't do anything, please.
Sorry.
Empty activity. Next. See, change the project name.
Same but not different.
Anything is fine. Not the same. Anything.
Okay.
Rainbow. Okay, rainbow spelling is wrong. I think you selected M instead of N. No, don't do anything. Okay, don't press finished. Okay, go to
Yeah.
all again. Enter the rainbow. No. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to change the language. So we are not going to use Kotlin now. We are going to use Java. Clear?
Yeah.
So go to yeah, great. So API 16 is fine. No, not API 16. It's because you have downloaded 11 version, right? So
Yeah.
go to 11.
This one, no?
Yeah, this one.
Should I click on now finish?
Don't do that. Don't do that. It's because you have downloaded SDK Manager as 11. But the problem is, even you have to get an output in your mobile, right? It is not the 11 version, right? So what we have to do is go select a minimum SDK version. Select it is fine. API 24 is fine. So select finish.
Yeah.
Yes, surely it will work now. Yeah. So obviously it will take some time. We have to wait. And eventually after completion of this Gradle, after Gradle build, we have to do something. So we have to go to file, we have to open, we have to delete the previous two applications. So don't have the junk files in your PC. If you are really into coding, if you're really planning to do a startup, or if you're really, yeah, of course, games are fine. Sometimes you have to play. See, we have to work for 8 hours, and we can
Yeah.
play for. So we are not supposed to play games for 8 hours. Yeah, you got my point, right? So
Yeah.
you have to delete the unwanted folders, unwanted movies, unwanted games. So we don't want those things. If you are really into coding, So if you want the coding, I mean, if you want the output to come fast, so you have to sacrifice yourself. So you have to delete all the games. We are not supposed to play games in PC. And of course, if the system configuration is good, we can play. But if it is not good, already you have that much games, we have to delete the games. So go to control panel, uninstall the games, and uninstall the unwanted softwares. So you essentially you can use your PC for coding. Okay, that's the good way to use code. Usually coders will have games, but not many games. Usually they will have some just to have, just for us test buzzers, they will have games. Okay, you are not supposed to use games if you are into coding. Okay, and
Yeah,
of
yeah.
course uh, don't have many games in your system. Okay, some games are fine,
Sure.
but many games is not good.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, see, right now it is downloading. You are not supposed to do anything. Okay. I mean, if you cancel, no, 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 don't do anything. Come here. So it will take some time. So
Yeah.
now it is 4, but still you didn't have your lunch. Samya, you had your lunch, right, ma'am? Ma'am, Samya?
Yes, sir, I had my lunch.
It's like you are in a guilty phase right now, right? We had the lunch, but Miss Vejika didn't have the lunch.
It's
So
Yes,
fine,
sir.
sir.
that's totally fine, yeah. If you want to reschedule it, please let us know within
Yeah.
4 to 5 hours, so we can reschedule the session. Okay,
Yeah.
it's almost done. It will see. 3 minutes ago, the Gradle started. Usually, the Gradle will run for 30 minutes. You believe? It happens. Even the Gradle will run for 30 minutes. It happens. Sometimes it happens. Not every time. Sometimes it happens. So it will download all the resources, required resources. See, right now 1.3 is downloading 2.1, 1.1.0. Nothing but a JSON files. It will give. I mean, see. Let me show you. See, even in XML file we can do it. See, right now I'm creating a button. See, if I enter button straight away, it is coming. Can you see this? Straight away the
Yeah.
button. So that is the reason the Gradle is running this much time. So what? Okay, it is almost finished. Okay, the last process is going on in your system. So this is what the Gradle does. So if I select the button, it will run. Eventually, if I go to Java file, if I enter button, I'm sorry. Okay, my mistake. It's not a, I mean, it's not an XML file. It is a Java file, right? You have to enter
Yeah.
buttons. All the buttons are working. So it's all because of the Gradle. That is the reason the Gradle is working that much time. Okay. Now the SDK is installing. Don't do anything. Let's wait for a while. SDK 11 version is installing. Okay. See, sometimes the
Yeah.
error, the coding is correct, but error will come. See, it shows very clearly. Can you see this? We have to enter Alt plus enter. You have to press this. Yeah, it just came. Let me. So coding will confuse you. Yeah, tomorrow I'll take it. So tomorrow I'll give the beautiful examples. Okay. I mean,
Yeah.
we don't want to use codings. Instead, we'll name the codings. We'll name. I mean, we can consider it as a story, and we'll use it. Okay, story
Yeah.
or something. We'll create it. Okay. If straight away I'll teach coding, you get confused, right? Sir, what is I mean, what is find view by ID? What is set on click listener? I don't know all those things, sir. What is Android components? I'm not familiar with this. So you will ask me, right? So that what we can
Yeah.
do is we can have the real time examples. Like for I'll teach you tomorrow. I'll have some plans. I'll teach you tomorrow. Okay, don't worry.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Tomorrow evening will be get started. Okay, that is the reason we are having this thing. So we'll finish it soon. Don't worry. It is done. See, right now no device is connected. So can we download AVD Manager now?
Yeah.
Okay, select. Any one we can download it, not more. So again, I'm going to create a new virtual device. I mean, in your system, we are doing it first time in your system, right? So please select
Yeah.
this. Since it is an administrator, I can't do it. You have to select it. See, this.
Screen has been stuck, maybe.
Okay, don't worry.
Yeah.
No. It is working. It is working. 1 second.
Yeah.
Slowly go to yeah. Anything is fine. Pixel Excel is fine. Yeah, go to next.
What is it?
It's because we have downloaded the 11 version, not the 16 version. That is the reason. No worries. What we have to do is no worries. Just give me a moment. These things will never work. Go upstairs. I mean, go up. Even this will never work, but we'll try. Select this. I mean, select next. Even it won't work. See, it's because right now we have downloaded API 30 version, I think. So it is 11 version, Android 11 version. So, but the mobile is in 21 or 24 version API level. So that is the reason it is not showing. No worries, cancel this. Cancel this, close this. But again, if we download SDK manager, it will take more data. Is that fine for you? If it is fine for you, we'll download it. No worries. Can we do it?
Yeah, fine.
Download any version. API 4.1 is more than fine. Select that and move to OK. It's fine. Less data. Accept. Move to next. Accept. No. You are not accept. Select. So I got my graphic. Yeah, Miss Samya, you can go on. Okay, Samya is not here. So eventually it will take some time. Don't worry. Like within 5
Yeah.
minutes, it will be completed. Okay. And yeah. So it is for debugging. Okay. See, I'll repeat this. First one is for SDK manager, and the second one is for AVD manager. Either we can select this, we can create a new virtual device, or either we can select this for new virtual device. So to get an output, three things is working. And see, it is to stop the program, I mean, stop the app, and it is to debug the app. If you have any bug in your application, we can debug the app. Right now, we are not going to use profile app, so we are not going to use this. If you want to have some profile, we can create it. Okay.
Okay, but
And
yeah.
I'm sorry.
Nothing. Screen was stuck.
My screen is stopped. Okay. Oh, it is
No,
completed.
it's working. It was stuck previous.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. Yeah, it is completed. Okay.
Yeah.
Right now, again, we are going to do the same part. Go to AVD manager. Let's see whether it works or not. Select pixel is fine. Go to next. See, now it is working. So let me tell you something. So the previous part, it is not working. It's because we have not downloaded the SDK manager. That is the reason it was not working. So it is asking to install the, yeah, we have to install this. See, one second.
Hmm.
What is your graphic card, Ms. Vedika?
I don't know actually.
So it we'll go with recommended. Okay.
Okay.
Select next. So it will take 1 GB. That's fine, right? No. It will ask permission. You have to select S. Can you hear me? Yeah, no worries. It will ask yes. Okay, it will take some time, yeah, 1 GB. Okay. Today we'll finish this, don't worry. Can you hear me? Hello? 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 Great. Can you hear me now? Hello? 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 Miss Vedika, can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Great. So it is done. Don't worry. It is done. Great. So it's totally AVD is completed. So what we have to do is we have to download the Nugget version. I mean, either ways, you don't want to download the R version. R version is for API. I mean, Android 11 version. Nugget is totally fine. Okay. See, it will take some data. That's fine, right?
Yeah.
So eventually let's see the remaining part. Okay, so as we discussed, everything is
Yeah.
completed. So here multiple even if you have multiple manager, it will be there. So to make the project, I mean, if you have if you completed your debugging option, if you want to re-clean the project, you can select this. Okay, so let me
Yeah.
continue again. SDK manager, AVD manager, in the Gradle, run the project after the I mean after getting the output. Project structure. Project structure is nothing but the same thing. So this is the project structure. Okay.
Yeah.
It's all about the folder. Okay, let me show you. Installation is completed. Project structure. See, project structure as we discussed: Java folder, REST folder, drawable folder, layout folder, bitmap folder, values, manifest folder, Gradle. That's it. Okay. Right now we are installing an emulator.
Yeah.
in your system. So let's wait. Okay. And that is the thing it is showing here, where we can change the API version and Gradle plugin version. SDK, we can change the location of the SDK. If you don't have any space in C disk, we can change it to D disk. That's it. The text view, it's nothing but variables. It will be showing the variables. Modules will be there. Inside the modules, as we discussed, right now we have compatible version as 30. We have selected the minimum version as Nugget, right? So we can
Yeah.
change the minimum version. Let me show you. Dependencies will be there. Dependencies is nothing but inside the Gradle there are many dependencies. So we have to get an acknowledgement if we use Gmail or Facebook, right?
Yeah.
Acknowledgement is nothing but a dependency. Okay, we are going to implement a Facebook dependency, so we'll get the access for Facebook. That is how it works. Let me show you in future. Okay,
Yeah.
totally completed. And inside the file folder, new project we can open it, new activity we can open it. Either we can select this, right click, we can select the new activity. The same thing will work here. New, the same thing will work here. Okay. If you want to
Yeah.
create a new project, we have to create it. Okay. Is your process completed? No, it will take some time. Nearly 900 GB. I mean, sorry, 900 MB. After that, we have to check how many MB it is keeping. Okay.
Yeah.
And yeah, here it is. Mm, so see, we have seen the debugging option, right? If we have any bug, we can select this. Oops, I've selected. So it is checking whether we have any debugging or not. Okay, it will take 2 to 3 seconds of your time.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is completed. No bug is there. I mean, 5 bugs are there. And it is cleared, I think so. Yeah, it is cleared. Okay. So it is an automatic process. Either you can select this or select this. If we have any bug, we can check from the previous folder and we can attach the file. Okay, let me show you.
Yeah. Yeah.
We can select this and we can check out the if we have any bug, we can check from the previous applications and we can put it in this application. We can clear the bug. Okay.
Yeah.
Recent applications will be there. Yeah, it's simple. If you want to close this project, you can close this project. Either ways, instead of closing here, we can close it here. We can sync the C++ coding with the Gradle. Okay. Inside the settings,
Yeah.
the same thing as we discussed before. See, either we can select this, we can get this, or we can go to settings. We'll select this. Okay. And the same
Yeah.
project structure here, it is there, right? The same thing will be here. Project structure. Okay.
Oh. Yeah.
File properties, you don't want to know about that. Sync the project with Gradle will be here. The same thing will be here. Okay, most of the things are same. Okay, reload the you don't want to know this, and invalidate the caches you don't want to know this. It is totally from the developer option, so we don't want to know about those things. Okay, if we want to
Yeah.
open the export the file, we can open it through this thing. Okay, that's it. Yeah, we
Yeah.
want to know everything. Okay, edit is nothing but copy paste options will be there. Usually we are not going to use this. Okay.
Yeah.
As we discussed before, Windows tools will be there. Right. These are all the tools which is available. See, can you see this? If you want to open, see, right now, event log is not here, right? We can open this according to our needs. Okay. And appearances will be there. Already, Windows bar is there, and the status bar is there, and even if you want the toolbar, you can select this. Toolbar will come. I don't want the toolbar now. So everything will be there. If you want to have it in your homepage, you can get it. Okay. Refactor is nothing but if you want to change the app name, you can change here. Okay.
Okay.
So you can change here. Got it. And refactor, even you can see for an example, refactor is nothing but in coding language, they'll instead of renaming, they'll use refactor. For an example, I'm
Oh.
selecting this. Vedika ID is button. What I'm going to do is I'm going to enter this at good girl. Okay. That is the ID name. So when I'm selecting here, it will ask refactor. Okay, refactor. Or you really want to change this name or not? Yes, I really want to change this name. I'm selecting this. So it is changed. The ID of the button is completely changed. You got it?
Yeah.
And yeah, it is completed. Yeah, here it is. So refactor is nothing but, as I said before, it is to see, renaming is a single thing, and if you want to change it completely, refactor will be using. Make project the same thing to run a Gradle and will clear the project. Clean the project. It will clean all the bug. Okay. Let me.
Yeah.
So right now it is clear. See, it is a small project, so it is done quickly. But if you have a large data, it will take some time. So again, I'm rebuilding the project. So again, the Gradle will build and it will check all the coding is correct or not. Okay. It will take some 2 to 3 minutes. It will take. Yeah, that's it. Okay, it is on process. I think so. Nearly 84% is completed, but I think it will take some data. That's totally fine for you, right? Only the first file
Yeah.
is getting download.
Yeah, it's fine.
And yeah, refactoring is completed. Yeah, see, right now I'm rebuilding the project. As we discussed before, again, it will run the thing. If you want to upload your application in Play Store, we want to get the APK file, right? So generate signed, either we can upload ADD. I mean, let me show you. So AAB will be nothing but the same. Right now we have an APK file. Okay.
Yeah.
APK file and AAB file is both the things are same, but AAB will be the Android app bundle is nothing but if you have 1 GB of app data, it will compress everything and it will give you as 300 MB or 200 MB. Let's consider if you have 50 MB of data, 50 MB of APK data. So it will compress and it will give 13 MB of data. Whereas in API, straight away it shows the exact data size. Okay, you can select any of those. And right now I'm mentioning any key storage path. So we can see after 12th day we can show this. Okay, I'll teach you this how to upload anything. Yeah, it is to upload. See, yeah. So this is to get the application to API, convert to APK version, and it is used to upload in Play Store. Excuse. Run the app, debug the app, run the app. The both the things are same. The both things will be available here. Run the app, debug the app. Okay.
Yeah.
Am I confusing you or something, or am I boring you? Hello, Ms. Vedika. Ms. Vedika, can you hear me? Hello.
Hello?
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Am I boring you?
No.
See, I'll teach you these things. The same AVD manager, SDK manager is here. Firebase is nothing but a server, a database system. Okay.